Hello and welcome to day 23 of the 7-tonne electric arc furnace replacement. As you can see in the background, we've actually got something that looks like a 7-tonne electric arc furnace now. It's gone very well in the last week. So furnace shell is in, concrete roof's on, Fumex hood's on, and as you can see, we're actually installing the electrode arms as we speak, which is the last of the major lifts on this project. Some of the other good work that's gone on in the last week is the ancillary equipment. So we have a carbon injection hopper, which is largely complete now, just some small electrical connections to do. And we have our furnace charging system for HBI type products, which is very nearly complete. So that's actually ahead of schedule, which is very good news.
We have been now installing trays and cables on the material handling system. We've had a huge progress today. We're about to finish the grinding, and then certainly we will continue to connect those cables, and then we will move next to the control desk, which will be put in place hopefully at the end of the week.
The project went well this week. We have done quite a lot. I mean, the furnace is nearly up and actually nearly running already. But to come back to the reality, we still need a way to go. I mean, some steps still need to be taken for next week. And those completion works are still a part of the whole picture to get everything completed and in line with the furnace soon to be producing its first heat.